Hey everyone, and welcome back to CodeCore. Today, we're diving into if and else statements in C. They're essential for making your program to react to different situations. Let's see how they work. So, what is an if statement? In simple terms, an if statement checks a condition. So, if that condition is true, it runs some code, otherwise, it skips it or runs something else. Think of it like this: if you're hungry, eat, otherwise, wait until lunch. And see, here is how we write it. So don't forget to include stdio.h. Then we'll do with an integer named temperature equaling 30. Then we'll do if temperature superior to 25. So that means if the temperature, so the integer, is more than 25, we'll do something. Here we're going to print it's a hot day. Else, so if the temperature is not superior to 25, we will print out something else. So we're going to print it's not too hot today. And then we will return 0. Let's see what this does in the terminal. So since it is superior to 25, it is going to say it's a hot day. If it wasn't, it would say it's not too hot today. Now, what if we want more than two choices? That's where else if comes in. Let's look at some example. We will have an integer of score equal 75, and we'll check different if statements for the score. So firstly, we'll do if score is superior or equal to 90. If it is, we'll print out grade A. Else, if the score is equal or superior to 80, this time we'll print out grade B. Else, if score equal or superior to 70, this time the grade is going to be C. Else, the grade will be F by default. So here C checks the conditions in order and stops once one is true. We just used an operator, and I'll give you a list of all of them in a second, but let's see what this does. So as you guys can see, it does say C because the score is not superior or equal to 90 nor to 80. So the next one is 70, and it does indeed check out. So as I said, let's talk about operators. So here are the main ones used in conditions. So equal for equal to, exclamation mark equal for not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. A quick practice example now. Let's write a small program that checks if a number is positive, negative, or 0. So we'll do int number. We'll print out to the terminal, enter a number, and then we'll use the scan method to get the user's input. So we'll do %d number, don't forget the symbol before the number, and then if the number is superior to 0, this time we'll print out positive number. Else, if the number is inferior to 0, that means it's negative, so we'll print out negative number. Else, the number is 0. Feel free to try this out by yourself and see the different results you can get. And now a few quick tips. In C, use curly braces to define blocks of code. Also, always close statements with this. Don't forget to include #include stdio.h for input and output. And to recap, if checks a condition, else handles the alternative, else if adds more possibilities, and use comparison operators to evaluate values, while not forgetting to use the proper syntax and braces in C. And that's pretty much it for today's video on if and else in C. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone learning C. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.